Here we are in section 3-2 exercises numbers 11 through 16. It says change into a percent. We have fractions here, which means we really have to first change it into a decimal by dividing, and then the 2 decimal places will get us to the percent. So 9 divided by 12. Notice as a fraction, this is the same as divided by 3 divided by 3. We could do it a little bit easier if we did 3/4. Now, some of you may already know what that is as a percent, but we'll do it here. 3 divided by 4. Get a couple of decimal places here. 4 goes into 3. No, it does not. So 4 goes into 30 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract, and we get 2. Bring down the 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times exactly. Good. So that gives us 0. So it's a 0.75. So this is 0.75, which is now 2 decimal. It's a decimal now. Now go 2 decimal places over. 1, 2. So it's 75%. Now notice if we would have done 9 divided by 12, like this, 12 goes into 90, 12 goes into 9, nope, 12 goes into 90, 7 times 12 is 84, subtract, and we get 60, which goes into it 5 times. So this would have been with an unsimplified fraction, but if we can simplify the fraction beforehand, let's do that. Yes, okay, number 12. 19 divided by 20. We can't simplify it, so just 19 divided by 20. We can move the decimal and make this a little bit easier. That's a 1.9. So 2 goes into 1.9. 2 goes into 1. It does not. 2 goes into 19. That's 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract and we get a 1. Oh, we need a 0 to bring down. 2 goes into 10 5 times exactly. Oh, that's good. So we get equals 0.95. That's a decimal. Now we go 1, 2, so it equals 95%. Yeah, if you get 9 out of 12 on a quiz, you'll have 75%. If you get 19 out of 20, you got a 95%. Solid A on that one. Good deal. All right, the next one, number 13, 15 out of 45. Can we simplify this at all? Yeah, we could divide by 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. So we get 3/9. Hey, that simplifies again. Divide by 3, divide by 3, and we get 1/3. That'll be the easiest one. 1 divided by 3. Put a couple of decimal places so we know what's there. 3 goes into 1. No, it doesn't. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract. That's 1. Bring down the 0. Oh, we're repeating. 3 goes into 10. 3 times. Subtract, you get a 1. Yep, it's going to repeat. So this is 0.3 repeater. Now we might want to write that as 0.333 repeater so we can move the decimal 2 places, which is 33.3 repeating percent. Now some people will round that at 33.3%. That's great, but it actually has a bar on it and goes forever. Okay, number 14. 7/8. So this is 7 divided by 8. I don't think that fraction can simplify, so this is the easiest one we got. So 8 goes into 7. Nope. 8 goes into 70 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. 70 minus 64 is 6. Bring down the 0. 8 goes into 60 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract that, we get a 4. Oh, we need another 0 to bring down. 8 goes into 40 5 times exactly. Oh, good. It stopped. So this is equal to 0.875. That's the decimal. Now we've got to go 2 places. So it is 87.5%. Yeah, so 7 out of 8, that would be like a B+. Good. Number 15. 27 out of 30. Oh, wait, can we simplify it all? This is divided by 3, divide by 3. Yes, we can. That's 9/10. Oh, 9/10. Now that 9 goes into 10. Even without moving the 0 over, put a 0 there. 10 goes into 9. Nope, 10 goes into 90. Yep, 9 times evenly. So that is, this equals a 0.9. Now, in order to make this a decimal, percent, we got to go 1, 2 places. That means we're going to put a 0 right behind the 9. That is 90%. Yeah, 9 out of 10 is 90%. Excellent. And the last one okay, sorry, 16. 23 out of 20. Ooh, can't reduce that really, but 23 out of 20. Notice this is going to be over 100%. Somebody got 23 points out of a possible 20. It's more than 100%. So that's good to keep in mind. Have a couple of those. Wait a second, we could move the decimal once over here. So this is 2 goes into 2.300. Let's see what happens. 2 goes into 2 once. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract, we get 0. Bring down the 3. 2 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract and get a 1. Bring down a 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Oh, we didn't need that other 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Exactly, so we're done. 1.15. Which, if we move the decimal 2 places, 1 place, 2 places, we get 115%, 115%, which makes sense. 23 out of 20 gives us more than 100%. Good.